Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be covering the powerful XLOOKUP function. Let's say we have a dataset with employees, job titles, salaries, and their employee ID. For this example, we'll use XLOOKUP to search these informations by employee's name. To get started, I've created a search box where we can enter the employee's name, and right next to it, we'll display their salary, job title, and employee ID. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear. In this case, it's the cell for salary. Then, type the formula equals XLOOKUP. The first argument is the lookup value. This is what we are searching for. We want to find the salary based on the employee's name, so click on the cell that contains the employee's name. Next is the lookup array, which is where we want Excel to search for the employee name. In our dataset, the names are in column A, so I'll select the range A2 to A7. Now, we need to specify the return array. This is the range where Excel will find the result we're looking for. Since we want the salary, we'll select the range of salaries in column D, from D2 to D7. Now, in this cell, we'll enter the employee's name. Let's type Bob. As soon as we hit enter, the salary for Bob will automatically populate in the respective cells. We can also format the salary cell to appear in currency format. This will make the numbers easier to read and show the proper currency symbol. Right-click on cell and choose Format Cell, then in Category find Currency. Now that we've successfully retrieved the salary, let's take it a step further and use XLOOKUP to retrieve the employee ID and job title based on the employee's name. First, let's retrieve the employee ID. So we need to do same as with salary, but now we choose employee ID cells, MyR from C2 to C7. Now we can do same with job title. As you can see, once we've set up the XLOOKUP formulas, every piece of information dynamically updates when we change the employee's name. This makes it incredibly easy to get real-time information for any employee in our dataset. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.